Detailed wash cycles. Heavy cycle. If you have some heavily soiled dishes, you can rely on the heavy cycle to get them clean. It starts with a pre-wash at 50 degrees Celsius, a thorough wash at 55 degrees Celsius, and another at 50 degrees Celsius. After that, it rinses at a steamy 68 degrees Celsius, ensuring all stubborn grime is gone. With a run time of 100 minutes, it uses 14.5 liters of water and ensures your dishes come out sparkling. Normal cycle. For your everyday dishes that aren't too dirty, the normal cycle is perfect. It begins with a pre-wash, washes at 52 degrees Celsius, and rinses twice, peaking at 65 degrees Celsius. Running for 110 minutes, it's efficient, using only 10.8 liters of water. Your dishes will be clean and ready in no time. Light cycle. Do you have dishes that are only slightly dirty? The light cycle is gentle yet effective. It pre-washes at 50 degrees Celsius, washes at 55 degrees Celsius, and finishes with a rinse at 60 degrees Celsius. In just 75 minutes, using 12 liters of water, your lightly soiled dishes will be spotless and dry. Glass cycle. Your delicate glassware deserves special care. The glass cycle washes at a gentle 45 degrees Celsius and rinses twice, reaching 50 degrees Celsius. It's a quick 20-minute cycle, using only 7 liters of water, ensuring your glasses come out gleaming without any risk of damage. Speed cycle. In a hurry? The speed cycle is your speedy solution for lightly soiled dishes. It pre-washes twice at 50 degrees Celsius, washes at the same temperature, and concludes with a rinse at 55 degrees Celsius. In just 45 minutes, using 12 liters of water, your dishes will be clean and ready to use. Rinse cycle. Sometimes, all you need is a quick rinse. This cycle is just for that. It gives your dishes a pre-wash and a rinse without any detergent. Running for a brief 24 minutes and using a mere 5 liters of water, it's perfect for a quick refresh.